where we have to garner a more serious tone. Thank you, Kinsler. Employee of the month. Right. I think we're at the point of the night. Thank you for subscribing. Where we have more serious endeavors at hand. I was going to use my box, but it seems it's out of commission. Right. My big announcement. At last. Bob. The sun ray. The sun ray. Right. Everybody. All right, you go left. All right. Thank you. I'm so excited. I want to first thank all of you for being here today. Editors, I would start recording now. Hold down the screen to clear display. Right. I will now announce all of your hard work. It is the sunbeam ray. We have harnessed every planet. We have stolen the moon. And now we have domesticated the sun. So, once this is detonated, it will hit one of these spots on my sheet. I should clarify that this does not have 100% accuracy. It maybe has like a 4%, but it will 100% hit one of these places, maybe. The places that are targets are as follows. Buckingham Palace in the United Kingdom. That's a fan favorite. The Epcot Bowl in Orlando, Florida. I'm hoping it is not that one because, as you all know, my minions, I frequent that place as vacation, to let loose. I love the ride on the inside and how it shows all different nationalities getting along, and it's a nice break from the hot sun, and I don't know. Well, fingers crossed it does not hit there. The Las Vegas Sphere, specifically with the band U2 inside. I still have not gotten over when they forcefully added their album to my iPhone 5 10 years ago. That one is preferred. Lastly, Ross Dress for Less in Wilmington, Ohio. That one is a bug. That was the first one we put into the system, and I do not know how to remove the coordinates. Right. I want to thank you all, my minions, for being here with me today. At the count of 3, I will be detonating this sunbeam at one of the locations on my sheet. Again, accuracy is about 4%. Right. Can I get a countdown in the chat? Right. 3, 2, 1. But we removed our own coordinates from the algorithm, right?
La piñata.
Bob, hold me. Hold me, Bob. Bob, hold me. Bob, hold on to me, Bob. 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 Thank you all for joining me. Bob, are you okay? Bob, get up, Bob. Bob, get up, Bob. Oh my God. Right. Thank you all for joining me. And, good night.